So good afternoon. The app we are using is Canva. Canva app. I don't know if I've heard about it. Canva. So I'm using Pro version, but when you download your own, it's not Pro version. It will be free version. So this crown icon that you are seeing, these crowns that you are seeing will be good color. Maybe in good color in your own, but because I've paid for this, so it will turn to artist color. So now this is this is the design I just finished with. This is the design. So we will let's create this same design. I will create it now, but because of time, I'll just be explaining some parts that you need to know. Then you will, because of time and the space, the space of the recording. So I will just pinpoint some important areas. Then before that, you can create from scratch and you can build from templates here. That one is actually easy, but you have to be smart and creative about it. Any design, no design is easy, but if you are smart, it will be easy for you. The more you do it, the more you know about it. The more you learn, the more you look for, the design, video editing and stuff. It depends on information. The more you derive information from people, the more you know about it. So you have to build yourself, keep building yourself every day. That's what, design takes. Keep building yourself every day so that you can know the new templates, the new features and design. Cannot how to, cannot know it in a day. So you have to be there every day. So these are some templates. You can search for templates. Maybe you want to create, let's say, data or something. You can search for any template. So anything you want to create, search for template. So that's it. And another thing you can create from scratch. But when you are creating from scratch, me, I don't really know, you know, if I have something to create, I will sometimes I ask AI. AI will give me step by step guide on how to do it. That's another creativity. You understand? That's another creativity. So some people will go for template. So that's another creativity. Like this design I just created the other time. Click. Now let's go for a design. The design I just created. Don't forget I said this design. How do I create it? Well, I I download the I got the background from another I got the background myself. I didn't there's I got the background myself. I didn't take the background from this app. I got the background myself. Then I started building on it. So now let's start. We want to start, click the plus button. This plus button, click it. Then you're free to go. So don't forget I said I actually add some things from AI to help with, but when you want to ask questions, you must ask in a way that the person will understand. So custom size. This custom size means the size of your design. So size of your design may be, choose design that size that will go with every social media pages. So maybe let's use okay, let's use the same one I used. So it has bring some what's it called? Some templates for me. Templates, logo, anything. Canva can teach you anything you want. You can help you with even videos, but we will still get there. So because of time, we are going for starting from scratch. So starting from scratch. Okay. Now, first of all, add the background. The background, I have it. Just click on the white button and then replace. Don't forget the white button is actually the background they are given. The background they are giving you because you choose to start from scratch and you don't click on any template. That's why it is white. So click on this is the, oh, sorry, replace again. This is it. This is screenshot. So this is the background I'm using. So now, what next? We have to be fast. So because of the time, now we go for test. Add headings. The test will be the heading. What's the heading? Visualize. Move it up a little bit. In your design, just move it where you want it. Move it where you see that okay, it will be to be perfect. So move it. Then what next? Add the fonts. Add font. What font am I adding to it? This font is another thing. It is actually very, very, very important. This font it makes your design very, it's divine your design. That's it. The font divine your design. So it makes it look attractive. So we are using this font. We are using Gagarin. Let's search for it. Gagarin. Yes, this is it. Gagarin. Have you seen it? Gagarin. So add it. So we add it. Regular one. So Gagarin. Then so I asked AI that which what's it called? Which color will suit this background. Then it gave me the color that will suit this background. That's some question. That's some part that AI helped me with. So if you want to ask question, you have to be very, very smart about it. Don't just go and say something that will be giving you rough answer. You can ask something that will give you another answer that you feel exhausted. But when you ask the right question to give you the right answer. So I asked him which some stuff will be color. It will be perfectly, fit for this background. Then I will still have forgotten the color is in code. Though it has name, but it may not bring the actual color. But it is in code. But if you type the code in it, it will give you the actual color. Assuming you type new blue. Wait, is it new blue or I'm coming. Okay. Let's say fairy orange. Fairy orange. See, this is not what the code may bring. If you actually type the code, it will bring the actual one. But this one, you will not know which of it is the really fairy orange that is talking about. But when you type the code in it, to give you the exact color. So, and that's what I'm going to do now. But first of all, let's finish with the writing of this before I go back to my ChatGPT and then look type out the what's it called, color code. So we are still dealing with the stuff with the heading. So you have to do is type this. This is Motinoko. This stuff here is duplicate. Is like you want to copy it. So you just tap it, it has copied. So then you edit it. Then after that, add your font. I'm adding another font to that so the font is Agbalumo. Agbalumo. The font we are using is Agbalumo or regular Agbalumo. Perfect. So then what next? Kilotukan is the other. Copy it again. Copy. Then edit. Then passion. So the font for this passion will be Gentle Sans. So I have I have created it before, so I know the sound, the fonts I will use. But when you want to create your own, you will, just scroll, just search for the font, just use the font that will, that will suit your design very well. So where we want to resize um the write-ups. We want to resize them. Wait. We have wait. So let's place our the write-up in the right place. So remember, different write-ups has different font. This is Gagalin. This one is what is it called? Beno or something. This one is Bentis Sans. So it has different write-ups. So just follow what I'm doing. Go for effect so that it will match the effect. Different shadow. If you want it to shadow, if you want it to lift, if you want it to hollow, if you want it to splice, so different effects. But I want it to echo. So I go for this. You can see the change. Let me remove it. Sorry. If I remove it, you can see, and you can see the change. So it echoes. Then what's next? Then we change the effect of this as well. Effect of this as well. The same effect for, so effect of them all. Then you go back, resize the write-ups, resize it to a normal size that will make sense for the something. So this is font size. Go for the font size. This is where you resize it, and you can also use this as well. But for you to have a normal sizing, you should use this one. So that's it. Then after resizing it, put it in the normal area. Then put it in the normal area. Then put this as well. Resize it. Put in there. Then this, move it up. If you want to move it, just click on the what's it called, on the text. You click on the text, then you move it up. Click on it, you move it up. So you understand. And you can also use this to move it. This notch, you can use it to move it. If you want to move it up, move it down, move it up. You see, Want to move it up, move it down, move it to the left and to the right, move it to the left. So that's it. Then resize it, resize. Then you put it there. So then what is next is the for you to then so remove it, make sure this item is very this is how you do it. Then this one, move it a little bit up. You can use this, if this if it's giving you problem, you can use this. Then you can move this up, move it up. So after that you change the color. Don't forget I told you that this thing, this color and something, I actually asked AI to help me with the color and some little things there. Don't forget that you can ask questions from AI so that it can help you to give more professional design. So and then this search bar, if you write the name of the color, it may not give you the exact one, but if you put the code there, the code of the color, it will give you the exact color you want. So if you are asking questions from AI, you will ask it will give you the code, then you put the code there. Like you are using this code now, which is neon blue code is H 0 0 E 5 F 0 0 0 0. Can you see now? This is neon blue code. It will give the exact color you want. But if you write neon blue, let's assume you write neon blue. Write neon blue. It will bring out different colors. You don't know the one to choose, but just put the code. Hashtag 0 0 E 5 FF. Then it will bring the exact color you want. So you bring the exact color you want, then go back. Then for the second one is FFF. That's pure white. It's there already, so you don't have to change it. That's pure white. So gently for the last one is FC O this or So you can use either of it. See, this is good good something, good, we are pure good or something, but the other one is fiery orange, but this is deep good. Yes, deep good, but the other one is fiery orange, so you can use either of it. Let's use the fiery orange. Let's use fiery orange, fiery orange, fiery orange. Uh-huh. Since the purple. What's the problem? Yeah, we are done with that. So then you have to size this a little bit. Then this as well a little bit. This as well a little bit. Then this as well a little bit. A little bit, so that she give you perfect work. So for the work to to look more convincing and more professional, go to elements, search shadow shadow shadow. This is shadow. Then pick this. I'm using what is it called, the pro version. That's why it is very very easy. It brings all the what's it called, all the features, but in your own it may not bring all the features, but at least you will find some shadows there. Then paste it. So let's use another one. I don't like this. Let's use another one. This is good. So you size it. You size it. You size it. Let me tell you something. If you bring any image or any element in, it will not bring what's it called, icon for resizing here. It will not bring any icon for resizing. So you have to resize it through your hand, with your hand here. You have to resize it with your hand here. So that's what you should do. Then once you have added it, position to the front, to the front, to the front. Yes. I positioned it to the front so that you can see the shadow. I position it. This is where I want it to be. Resize it a little bit. Size it a little bit. Then to back small, you add it back small. Can you see now? Can you see the difference? Then bring this one up small. Can you see now? Then reduce the opacity of the shadow. reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. Where is it? Transparency, I mean. Transparency. This is if you want to reduce, maybe how deep it is. This is transparency. Just tap on it. So transparency, reduce it a little bit. Reduce it a little bit. Yes. So you can see now that it makes sense there. So you can just place it very well. Place this very well. I'm coming. Then resize it a little bit. Bring this up. Just do it, to make your work perfect. I don't want this to be very, very long. So you can just place it anywhere you feel that it will suit the design. What am I doing myself? Okay, resize, yes. So just do it in a way that it will make everything make sense to you. So that's it. Then you go for the other thing. So let's move to the next one quickly. The next one is subheading. We use subheading. That the other one is heading. So this one is subheading. So we have to be very, very fast with this one because of the time. So yes. So the width font will be butterfly. Butterfly. So what's happen? Are you being serious right now? Are you okay? Okay, no problem. If you know, so it's battery, not butterfly. So the font we are using is battery. So just have to place it in the normal where we want it to be. Place it here. Then add color. Color we are adding is just color yellow, not just color yellow. So and then resize it a little bit. Resize it a little bit so that to make sense. Then move it to the normal area we want it to be. Move it. So one thing you need to know is that if you want to we are done with this heading, so you don't want any problem to occur from there again. So this is what you will do. You just click on the inside one, which is the shadow. You want to click on the inside one, and then you cannot click it from here. Just go through the layers. This is layers. Then this is the layers. Then find the one you want to click. So this is shadow. You want to click shadow. You have clicked it already. So you have clicked it. Click your. It's also shit. Oh, then the shadow. Let me go back. Okay, I've clicked the shadow. Then click this button here. Click it. Then click select multiple. Click it. Then once you click it, then you started clicking on the other ones. Click on yours. then passion, then what's it called again? I'm coming. So your then visualize, then you group it, then you click on the group. This is the group. Click on it, click on it, click on it, then you have grouped it here, so you cannot have any problem from there again. So you can move everything together. You can see that you can move everything together because you have grouped it. So that's that about that. Then go to the other one. You are done with this with, then what's the other one? The other one is what? Okay, higher flex media. It's also subheading. So higher flex media. Then so what is the font we are using for this? Is the font we are using for this is League Spartan. League Spartan. Just search League. Sorry. League. Yeah. League Spartan. Regular. League Spartan regular. Click on the regular. Then you have it. Then resize it. Don't forget. Resize it at as it suits your design. So resize it. Then place it in the normal place you want it to be. Place it. Place it, then resize it a little bit. Size it a little bit, then place it where you want it to be. Then what next? Then what next is the so what next now is I'm coming. Good boy. So now we go for other subheading. Add a little bit of body text. That's what we click on this. Why? Because we are adding the number, the contact of the business owner. That's why just add a little bit of body text. So you go, then you add what you wanted to add. Then edit the contacts plus 23481. I'm coming. Okay, no problem. Plus 2348151145641. Then plus 2347043085892. Then so for this, so move it up, move this up. You can see, move it up, then move it up, move this here a little bit, move it here a little bit. So move this here as well, move it here as well, move it here, then add your what, then we are going to add an effect to it. The effect we are adding is shadow. I want it to be shadow. I want it to have shadow. So sorry, background. Background, I mean background. So the background is black. You can see there. If you want to change the color of the background, just click on this. You want to change the color of the background, so click on it. Then this is the color. You can see the color. You can see transparency, spread. You want to spread it, you can see roundness, another thing. So color, now you want to change the color, but I'm not changing the color, I'm just telling you. So you want to change the color, then we go back to test styles. Then sorry, we add some heading so that it will be very deep. You understand? So we resize it. So now we are going to the write-ups for services. We also add background to this. Also add background to it. So then the font is Bebe's new. The font we asked Bebe's Bebe's name. So this is Bebe's name. So that's the font. So in this background, if you notice something, that the background outshadow the text. So the background outshadow the text. So I have to reduce the spread of the background. So the spread of the background, so I have to reduce it. Then you go to text, click on this thing, this thing, click on it, then reduce the spread, reduce the spread, then you reduce the transparency of the background as well. Reduce the transparency, so that it will give perfect work. Then we go back. Go back. Then you place it at the exact area we want it to be. Place it there. Place it there. What am I doing now? Let's move this up a little bit. Move this a little bit. A little bit. Move this a little bit. This a little bit. Then reduce this size. Reduce the size of this. Then place it in the normal area. Then change the color. Change the color. Color will go like just use any colors. So the color we are adding to this is this color. This no, not this. Let me go and type the code. Is we have used it before. I've changed this the color for passion. So I will just substitute the color. I will put the color that I added here before to here. Then I will add this one to the passion. So the color is FF okay, it's the same color. Maybe so it's the same color. Then what next is the write-ups. First of all, the subheading, then text, subheading, then you move it here. So this is what you will write. Then you put edit, then you put full stop. This full stop. Full stop. Then you go to resize. You resize it a little bit. Then you move it. To the appropriate area. You move it to the appropriate area, then you duplicate it. Don't forget, copy it. Then you move this one down a little bit. Move it down a little bit. Duplicate it as well. Move it down a little bit. Duplicate it as well. Move it down a little bit. Duplicate it as well. Move it down a little bit. So that will give you what you want. Then further, move it down. sharp place it in the exact area you want. Just do it. Like I said, I want this to be very long, so just put it appropriately so that it will match what you want to put at the front. It will match what you want to put at the front. Then the other one, no, sorry, the other one. So let's leave this and put the right up so that we can know where exactly the dots can be, will be, I mean. So what's the first service? The first one is video editing, and then post production. And this, you click on this button, this thing here. Click on it, then you spread it, then you move it. Click on it, you move it, it will form a single line. To form a single line, you move it, where exactly it should be. So now you resize, then you move it again. Move it again. So I think that's good. Know that I'm just placing the dot at, the exact place where it should be. So then you can just duplicate this, add it here. No, let me do it. If you want to undo what you have done, like maybe you made this mistake, you want to undo it, just click here, just click this. So that's it. So the font we are using for this is Montserrat. Then you click it. What is it now? You click it, then semi bold. Then you click the semi bold. Shikina. Then you go back. You can move this. You can move it. Then you duplicate it. So I did this one as well. Brand and graphic design. Brand and then so. Then you move it. You move it back. So that's it. Then you place the dot down a little bit. Put the dot down a little bit. The second dot. Move it down a little bit. Move it down a little bit. So that's good. So then the next one. You can just duplicate this as well. Duplicate it. Then put another event flyer, and then celebration. Media. So you can just shift this. So now we are done with the write-ups. We can started adding colors. Don't forget the write-up is in the same the same process. Just copy the first one and then copy it, edit it. That means you put what you want to put there, then place it at the exact area. I did it because of the time. That's why I did the remaining one by myself, but that's the same process you follow. So we are adding colors now. The color for this is this one. The color for this is pure white. The color for this is this one. The color for this is this one, and the color for this is also pure white. So that's it. Then at the last, so at the end, sorry, and this it. So your vision. Then just resize it. There's nothing. Single label one resize it, or you can re-edit it. Put this our mission this animation, just put it down so that you click this button in your keyboard. So you click this button. Shuriken paper. Just click the split button in your keyboard. So then you split it into this. Then you place it there, and then you resize it. Oh good, and you resize it. You give you what you want. Resize it. Resize it. You give you what you want and add font. The font is Pumpkins. Regular Pumpkins, regular one, not the medium one. It's the medium one, Pumpkins medium. That's at the end. Pumpkins medium, okay. Yeah. Oh, not Pumpkins medium. But I had the Pumpkins medium, so. So we are adding what's it called? Alex, not Pumpkins. Alex is the name of the font. Alex, let me search. Alex. Yes, this is the font. Now you can see the difference. So Alex, then place it. Here it should be Alex, then you can resize it so that so the color is let's search the color that we are going to use. CE and this is the color. Okay, so we are good to go. Then what next is the image that we add here. Let's add image. So this is the image you are going to add. So just add the image, then put it here. Then see this image, because I'm using the pro version, so I can easily remove the background from here. But if you are not using the pro version, you cannot remove the background from here. You have to go to another website to remove the background, but I will teach you that later. But let me just remove the background from here for you to see. You can see. Oh, very cool. Let me charge my phone. So the background auto remove, then go back, then go to crop, then crop the image, smart crop. You can see. So just size it, done. You can move it like this, I'm rotating it, but just put it where it will, suit it perfectly. Then you can just gé orí kúrò díẹ̀, orí tó tóbi, gé orí tó tóbi yẹn kúrò díẹ̀, náà ni. So perfect. Now you can put it, then just put it, put it how you feel it will, how you feel it will be very, very okay for the design, so that you not spoil everything. Just put it there, anyhow, shall visible anyhow. What is this now? At it done, we are done with this. Good boy. Just put it there, then move it a little bit. Yes, you can see now that is good. Then now, after we have done with all this paparazzi, what next? What next is adding some special lighting, techy something. This design is not some normal design that you see their product. Is a techy design. It's a techy design that you have to add some lights, to make it look techy, to make it look lighty. You understand? So you have to add some tech into it. So we are adding it now, and I will make it fast. So go to element, click search. First of all, you search. Just for this, let me explain this. For you to know the light you are going to add, you will ask. Actually, I asked AI to give me some ideas of some lights, and I pick the best one for it. So you have to add some. You have to ask AI, and you pick the best one for this design. So let me actually do that now. So I've asked already, so I know what to use. Now we are going for futuristic digital light. Futuristic. Ayé mi àti wọlé, mi dẹ̀ ti ṣe assignment mi, ẹ gbà mí. Hey, tèmi máa bá mi báyìí o. futuristic. Let's just go. If you are not using any of it, I'm a padà. We are not. This is not usable, Jare. This one, we are not using it. We are not using it. I lie it down. I have a lot of things to do today. Okay, now we are not using none of this. So let's go for HUD interface. HUD. What again now? HUD interface. So this is the first one we are adding. This is name tech tech line. This is tech line. So all you have to do is rotate it back like this, then place it here, place it here, place it here. These are your placement. They are just do the same thing I did to the headings. Just group it so that you don't have problem. Just group it and then you can move it together. Then group this as well. Let's see how problem. This tech line, this one, this tech line you are seeing, this tech line, like let me do it back. I can shape pada kó lè mọ̀. So sórí bó ṣe wà tẹ́lẹ̀, sórí bó ṣe wà tẹ́lẹ̀, mo ti rotate ẹ̀, so ó ti wà horizontal now. Then what you have to do is just position it to the back pátápátá. Orí báyìí ó yàtọ̀, position it to the back pátápátá so that it will fit the design. So that's it. Then another one is let's look at gradient light. Gradient light overlay. Gradient light. This is it. Then I can delete it. I'll do another one. Let's search. Can do another beautiful one. And it will make sense that ní ti lọ ṣááyé mi. Nǹkan mi check my phone jọ. Okay, so let's use this. Yes, let's use this. Just reduce it, then add it here. Reduce it, add it here, or you can add it here. Add it anywhere you think it will be very, very perfect. So you can add it here. Just reduce the transparency. Reduce the transparency. Add it here, add it here, add it here, add it anywhere. Anywhere you feel it's okay. So let's go for another one. Oh, we'll take my layer. Let me put this on here. Let's put the last one. Just put it here. Reduce the transparency. Reduce the transparency. Then position it at the back. Position it at the back. At the back. And we can put it here. Just put it anywhere. To feel okay, it will be very perfect for it. Just put it anywhere. Then you have positioned it, just leave it. You can see it's good. Then another one. You don't need this. You don't need that. Let's should do something. This. You actually need this one. I need delay at the, we need this behind the image. Just behind the image. Let me look for techie one. Techie one. Oh yeah, now. Techie one. Techie one. Oh yeah. Money can you too low. Yes, let's use this. Just rotate it, then reduce it, then place it just behind the image. Place it here, then position it to the back, then reduce the transparency. Don't forget, reduce the transparency, then copy it and put it here again. Sorry. What now? Copy it and put it here again. So position it again, then drag it a little bit, then just make it look nice. So you can see it's okay there. So then what other things do we need? I'm actually looking for something like is bold emotion. So let's use this one. Why I use it is, look at this passion and look at this picture, you can see the similar, the similar illustration is, design is actually interpreting, what you represent, actually interpreting what you really mean in with some symbols and other things. So you can see this passion, and this thing is actually, it has a similar, something similar in them. So let's use it. But first of all, let's remove the background. Remove the background. Remove the background. Yes, you can see. Then, or we can even leave the background there and just add it. Just position it. Reduce it a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. And position it at the back. At the back, you can see. You see now. You can see now. Just reduce the transparency of the top. You can see it perfect. Reduce the transparency of the top. You can remove the background. You can decide to leave it. So just put it in the same place. Then you are good to go. So back, then I don't think we should add anything else again. Yes, sorry for that. Well, I don't want us to add anything to it again. Just let's leave it like this. It's good like this. Let's leave it. Then after that, click on this. Click on this. Click on this download, or this, either of the two. Just click on it. Then boom, you've downloaded your design and you are free to go. So don't forget, I said you can start from scratch, and you can also look for templates to design. So look for templates, search for design, start from scratch. It's all design. You put hard work to it before it becomes a design. So either of the two will be actually good. So I want you to download the Canva and do the same design. So you can use your picture, you can use your anything, or you can use the same thing I use. Just create your own. Let me know if you actually get it.